Protesters rallied outside Georgia's parliament building for a seventh consecutive night on Thursday to vent their anger at the government. Earlier in the day, Georgian police searched the offices and homes of prominent activists and opposition leaders and detained 7 of them.
პოლიციამ ოპერატიული ღონისძიებებისა და საგამოძიებო მოქმედებების შედეგად ჯგუფური ძალადობის, ორგანიზების და ხელმძღვანელობის ჯგუფურ ძალადობაში მონაწილეობის ფაქტზე 7 პირი დააკავა. ჩადენილი დანაშაულები 9 წლით თავისუფლების აღკვეთას ითვალისწინებს.
Opposition leader Nika Varamia of the Akali party was beaten and arrested during a police raid of the offices of another opposition party, DRUA. During the raid, police seized what looks to be dozens of firework launchers, an improvised armament that has become emblematic of participants in the ongoing protests' pushback against police. After the government vowed to crack down on those organizing pro-EU protests, the Prime Minister said.
მე ამას ვერ დავარქმევდი რეპრესიებს, ეს არის უფრო პრევენციები ვიდრე რეპრესიები.
Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky reacted to the ongoing turmoil in Georgia and called the upheaval shameful.
Сьогоднішня влада в Грузії штовхає країну на очевидну залежність від Росії. Це просто ганебно. На які речі вони йдуть зараз проти свого ж народу.
The United States also expressed concerns regarding the detention and assault of journalists and urged the rule of law in the nation.
We're continuing to call on all sides to ensure protests remain peaceful, and we are urging the Georgian government to strictly respect the rule of law, human rights, and fundamental freedom.
As on previous nights, demonstrators gathered and blocked the parliament's entrance and aimed green lasers to dazzle police officers lined up in front of the building. They fired firecrackers, and the police retaliated with water cannons and tear gas. Bureau Report, NewsX.